A controversial police killing in Trenchtown is threatening the relationship between the lawmen and citizens. Our reporter Kirk Wright explains.
Trenchtown, the birthplace of many legends, but it's also a community that's fraught with crime and violence. The 5 gangs operating in the community often drive terror in the residents. The police have had a hard time keeping the violence there in check, but their sustained presence over the last 2 years seem to have had some positive effect. The residents say they built a strong bond with the police over the period.
They could talk to us. We talk to them. Any questions were asked, we could have answered just the same. We had that bond. We make them comfortable. Where them sit down, where them post, we clean it up. We sweep it up. We empty them rubbish. We do things for them as if we are them woman.
Wicked them plans against I and I. All the wicked shall burn in the pit of hell. Go down.
That 2-year bond changed overnight after a resident was allegedly shot and killed by the police last Friday.
The bond what we did have is broken and it's beyond repair.
The police, however, insist they were acting in self-defense.
Our reports are that on Friday, 11th of February, the Denham Town Police, acting on information about gunmen and premises, proceeded to 5th Street, Trenchtown, Kingston, where they accosted Nakata Leslie, otherwise called Frillique, who fired at the police and was hit in the process, and a 9mm pistol with 5 9mm rounds recovered from him.
Residents have rejected the police's claim, arguing that the victim was sitting in a yard with residents after leaving a music studio in the community.
After sitting down, police run in the yard. People them go behind them saying, I want go on. Them say nothing I go on, them just want to talk to the man and tell the residents, say, excuse them. The man himself say, alright, when you can come out, like when them say I talk to me, because I don't want it, I go jail 17 times. By the woman I walk away, there goes the gunshot.
I am aware of some persons who have contacted me to say that they are being forced by elements within the same community to dispute the accurate police report on the circumstances surrounding this matter. We will continue to work with the good citizens within these communities and to protect them from the elements that are responsible for the crime and violence that have affected these communities.
The residents say, for the good of all, they're still hoping for healing between themselves and the police. Indicom is investigating. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.